gloss black door handle covers.
Alright, ready, set, go!
Oh man, I seriously ordered these 2 months ago, and then the website called me that they were like backstocked and actually didn't have any, and they shouldn't have placed my order through. And they're like, well, we can cancel your order or you can wait. So I waited, and they finally came. These are 3M adhesive door handle covers for the 17, I believe. So we'll see if they fit the 18 or not. But no more plasti dipped handles. Alright, as you can see, the plasti dip is unfortunately peeling. Obviously grabbing that every day, plasti dipping handles. It still turned out and worked for what it was. That was, I guess, a month and a half now. These test fit perfectly, actually. And these are going to look so damn nice. Also, the other portion also test fits perfectly, even with the keyhole and everything. So we're gonna put these on. So this product does fit the 1800 Limited. It comes with an adhesion promoter and instructions. Pretty simple. I mean, you guys could figure it out yourself. I actually didn't think there was going to be an adhesion thing. I thought it'd just be the 3M tape, because all the AVS products that I've put on and the Bushwhacker fender flare trim just uses that. Nothing to do with the glue, basically. They refer to it as a glue in here in the instructions, and that's, I guess, who it comes from. I got it through a secondary site, carid.com. Trim Illusions Automotive Accessories. So you can pause the video and read that if you'd like. But let's get this done. I can tell the difference right off the bat. So yeah, that's how these seat on here. Yep. Same on that side. But that's fine. You ain't never gonna see that. I can tell the difference right off the bat. So yeah, that's how these seat on here. Yep. Same on that side. But that's fine. You ain't never gonna see that. those on. This will be probably, I'll change these one more time, the third time. That's what they seat like. I mean, they stay on there. You can feel a little lip when you grab it, but it's not like anything crazy severe. Like, it should never get pulled off, hopefully, unless someone grabs it with their fingernails like that. It goes. But why I say that the third time, because I'll probably just order the actual handles. The guy at the one Toyota dealership tried to tell me that it would cost like $800 for them and the install, when he's like, I gotta take the door handle off, when actually you don't, and these things just pop out real easy. It's not even that hard.